Hello and welcome to Lloyd Land Rover Stockton. Today we have a Defender 110 with us. This one in particular is a HSE, so it's top specification what we can get on Defender, and it is the P400e. So that is a petrol plug-in hybrid engine, and it's finished off in a stunning metallic Eiger Grey. Really nice options on this car. So starting off with the extended exterior black pack, so black lettering. We've got nice black accents down here as well. Standard on Defender, 3D surround camera, so that gives us that nice bird's eye view when we come to parking what is a bigger car. Satin dark grey alloy wheels on this vehicle. They're 20 inches in diameter. Again, the continuation of the black theme. We've got black checker plate accents on the bonnet, side vents on there, more cameras on the side as well as black mirror caps. We've got keyless entry, privacy glass on this car, as well as black roof rails. And if we come right round to the rear, again, signature to Defender, of course, is that spare wheel. But we'll open the side tailgate, and you can see you've got a really spacious boot on Defender 110, slightly lipped with it being a plug-in hybrid, but for purposes of the video, we've got our charging cables in there, jacks or sort of thing, and we do have a little bit of extra storage in the back of there. We do also have air suspension on this vehicle, really nice option. We can lower or raise that using the boot, the key, or even the controls inside the car. We've got a full ebony leather on the inside of this vehicle, no clear signs of wear and tear, Type-C connections in the back to keep everybody connected, and we've even got a little bit of storage space in those two front seats. Blind spot monitoring is something that you might not pick up on the video, but it is in them wing mirrors. We've got electric seats that have got memory functionality on both sides as well, with it being a HSE. Full digital dashboard which reads 16,789 miles. Now, the steering wheel, it's heated, it's multifunctional. We've got things like adaptive cruise control in there, voice control, adjustments for volume on there, auto lights, auto wipers, and 16,789 miles is on the car. Nice options like clear view sight rear view mirror. So we've got things like home link on there if you wanted to connect to that, but it can just simply transform to a mirror, or a 20 degrees wider camera which is on the back fin of the vehicle. Bigger infotainment system, with it being the HSE, of course. Things like navigation on the car. We've got media connectivity, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and again, to highlight them 3D surround cameras on the car. We've got dual zone climate control, not only heated seats, but we've got ventilated seats as well. Keyless start stop, control to air suspension, of course it isn't automatic as well, but other notable things are heated windscreen, more connectivity points. We've got this stunning lighter accent cross car beam in the car, a little bit of storage space around the car, twin cup holders, storage space in the middle, and if we're looking up ahead, not only have we got a roof, but it is actually a sliding panoramic roof as well. So that opens right up, lets the light in, makes the car feel airy, a lot more spacious than it already is. So knock the car off and jump outside. Again, this is a Defender P400e petrol plug-in hybrid X-Dynamic HSE, finished off in Eiger Grey. If you've got any questions on this car, we encourage you to please inquire online or call us through this website. Thank you.